Ngrams, and then trigrams. So as the names bi, tri. So bigrams, let's say you want to break the sentence into two parts, okay, or you want to break it into three parts, okay. The ngrams allows you to specify the number of parts that you want. So let's try that out. So I'm going to change here to w equals, and I'm going to copy this whole text, and let me just paste it here and change here to w. Okay, so I'm just going to type print into bracket, and then let's say I'm going to type w dot ngrams into bracket 2. So let's run it. Okay, so you can see it's broken them into, so the quick is 1 gram or 1 ngram, let's say. So that's bigram. So we are working with bigrams. So it has broken them into two parts. So this into two lists. Okay, so a tuple of lists. So here we have this. So 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So let's just copy this, and then we change it to 3. Control V. Let's change it to 3. And then let's run it. So you can see the quick brown fox jumps. You can see it's broken them into 3 parts. So you can put any value here. So another way to do this is I'm going to copy this, and then I'll paste it here. Control V, and I'm going to just put an n here. So n equals, let's see, let me do it 5 or 6. Let's do 6, and then let's run it. Okay, so there's another way of so the quick brown fox jumps over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so these are ways which you can work with grams. And okay, so now we'll be working with tags. Okay, so tags, we have POS tags. So POS stands for parts of speech. Okay, so the process of converting text, okay, or classifying words into the various parts of or you label them into their various parts of speech or classes. It's called POS tagging or parts of speech tagging. Okay, so I'm going to, sorry, shouldn't have run this. Let me just comment it out. Okay, so we are going to try something, but first of all, let's go here. Okay, so this Stanford, from this link, okay, you can get the various parts of speech. So there's CC, DT, NN, noun, singular or mass. So these are the various tags here. So let's see, verb, VB is verb, VB is verb, VBD is verb, past tense, and the likes. So let's say, let me copy this. Control C, and I'm going to paste it here. Control V. Okay. And then what I'm going to do now is just to find the tags in this. Okay, so to find the tags in this, let me just clear this out. So there's the w dot tags. Okay, we should get. So these are the various tags. So you can see there is a DT. I think DT is determiner. Quick is a JJ. Name is determiner of JJ. JJ is adjective. Brown is NN. Let's check NN. Noun, singular or mass. Okay, so you can see it's broken them into their various parts of speech. Okay, using their tags. Okay, so let's try a different thing. Let's try another approach. So I'm going to create a variable called tg equals, and I'm going to type in TextBlob bracket quotation comments. I'm going to type game base game, or let me just go to my Python project, and then let me copy the text. Where is it? Okay, so I'm going to copy this whole text from my Python project. Control C. Then I paste it here. Control V. Clear this. Okay, so Gengbe CEO Kelvin introduced a new gaming empire project in Ghana. So POS tagger equals to NLTK tagger. So remember we imported this NLTK tagger and then we gave it this variable. So this model or this files or model which is this is stored in the NLTK tagger here. So if you come here, this the same thing that we typed here. Let's say here. Okay, so post underscore tagger equals NLTK underscore tagger. And now what we can do now is to just break it into its various POS or parts of speech. Okay, so what we can do is just print which what have we done? Uh, print into brackets. So print into brackets, and then I'm going to type tg dot pos underscore tags, and then let's run it. Where's the error? String literal. Okay, so the error here is because of this quotation commas. It's supposed to end here, not here. So I'm going to clear it, and then let's run it. Okay, so you can see Gengbe is an NNP, SSPOS, CEO, NNP Kelvin, NNP introduced BBS, and the likes. Okay, so these are the tags in our text or sentence or statement here. Okay, so let's try another method called parser. Okay, so let's see. I want to let me just print into brackets tg.parser. Then let's run it. Where's the issue? Where's the issue? Okay, so I have to bring this bracket here. So the error here is because of the R. Okay, so I'm going to take the R out and then let's run it again and see. Okay, so you can see it's broken. It's giving us a sequence of the tokens. Okay, so the grammatical structure of this text. Yeah. Okay, so a sequence of them. So Kelvin and NP. Okay, so it's so only Kelvin has these. Introduces has these. Okay, so that's it for TextBlob, and then thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.